Hi, Kevin. This is Kim, your tutor. I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to read you a story today, and this one is called Pretend. Pretend. I like to pretend that I am a king. I make a crown to wear. I like to pretend that I am a frog. Do you know what sound a frog makes? Yes, that's right. Ribbit, ribbit. I hop around the house. I like to pretend that I am a monster. I scare my brother. He looks pretty scary. I like to pretend that I am a teacher. I teach my sister and her friends. I like to pretend that I am a baby. I cry and crawl around. I like to pretend that I am a monkey. I climb on the couch. I like to pretend that I am a daddy. I hold a doll and put her to sleep. I like to pretend that I am a fireman. I pour water onto fires. I like to pretend that I am a hero. I saved my mom from the bad guy. Sometimes I don't want to pretend. Sometimes I just want to be me. That was a good story. What does he climb on when he's pretending to be a monkey? Do you remember? How does he act when he's pretending to be a monster? He looked pretty scary. Yes, that's right. Well, very good. I will call again and read you another story next week. So hopefully you're doing well and having a fun time doing your lessons from school at home. Have a great weekend and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.